Once Infra.
Once Infra, a state-of-the-art civil construction and engineering company, a powerful combination of people, process and technology. Our mission as a forefront company, we aspire to empower our clients to personalize their dream spaces. Our vision, timely and uncompromising quality construction work. We construct from inception to completion. Vanguards of Once Infra. Mr. Amit Neema, enterprise and concept of commissioning of various sectors. He provides strategic directions and effective business planning to Once Infra. Mr. Chirag Neema. He holds a specialization in structural and civil engineering that aid him to hold expertise in industrial construction and infrastructural projects to lead path of success. Mr. Gaurav Khavri. His uniquely creative and structural knowledge gives a strong backbone to Once Infra, as he holds expertise in structural and civil engineering with master's degree. Meet the team. Individuals with years of experience, diversified sectors of knowledge. Once Infra prides itself a strong and committed team of project execution personnel, quality assurance engineers and trained site safety group. Multidisciplined professional with 30 plus years of experience, and our integrated approach take us to new heights. Major sector we work in: civil construction, industrial construction, steel building structure, construction project management, structural drawing, architectural design, water construction work and pipeline laying work, effluent treatment plant, industrial consultancy, industrial electrical services, external and internal electrification, setting up of automobile electrical charging station, nanotechnology products. Once Infra adopting new and improved nanotechnology. We are becoming the part of this revolution in technology. Nanotechnology coating and paints for all kind of surfaces. Prime steel rods. Prime steel rods are microalloyed steel rods, which are very high in strength, at the same time cost efficient. Prime steel rods are 3 times stronger yet lighter than any TNT bars. Prime steel gives you a cost efficiency of 40%. Fiber reinforced concrete, a latest technology concrete with toughness more than 30% than normal concrete. It offers high modulus of elasticity for effective long-term enforcement. Increase the splitting tensile strength to 2.5 times, gives 3-dimensional flexibility to structure. One of our pioneer projects. Our team have worked hard to execute it smoothly. With a team of experienced engineers and project managers, this effluent treatment plant with capacity of 12 MLD has turned out to be a strong step towards success. Measures and ISO certifications: ISO 9001 2015, ISO 45001 2018. Awards and recognitions: Best Brand in Infrastructure and Construction Sector in MP by CMO Asia.